Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to calculate total sum in Google Sheets file. So get let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, in this video, I will show that calculate to sum. Now, select from the last option. Now keyboard press from the equal option. Now type from the sum, then press from the first bracket, then select from the total salary. Now close from the first bracket, then keyboard press from the enter. That's it. Then I show total calculate sum in Google Sheets file is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.